Here's another one.
I filmed you a little.
Watch where you're walking. You're going to walk right onto a car in a second.
That's kind of weird.
Judging by the pieces of the car here, there was no reason why it should have been cut up like this except to hide it. See? Here's the quarter panel.
Well, I stepped on a tire.
Clearly that car wasn't wrecked. Why did somebody cut it up like that?
Oh wow, what's that?
Old farm equipment. Hayer. Alright, let's go inside. I thought you might get a kick out of this.
For real, it's crazy.